Here you can see the login page for admins. To log in, enter your email address and then click the Send Login Link button. You will then receive an email with a link to log in. Click this link to continue. Now you will see the welcome page displaying your name. Here you have two options: Get Started or Go to Your Profile. We click the Go to Your Profile button to view your profile page. Here you can see your personal information and your current access level. Here you can also see more information about your subscription type and usage limits. You can also see your magic link, which you can use to log in. Below you can see your current consumption statistics and see how many surveys and mappings you currently have on the platform. If you need help, you can find a contact support section where you can send a message. Similarly, under Need Help, you can explore tutorials and guides. If we go back to the login page, which you access when you click the link in your email, we see the left button that gives access to our video tutorials and guides. And here you see the overview of tutorials and guides. You can search for specific topics or find guides based on type or section. Finally, there is an admin menu you can click on in the top left corner. This menu gives you quick access to the tools on the platform, such as your mappings, your reports, and your surveys. This is how you access all the features of MapUs.